Hello children, so welcome to your English 2 class. Children, we have already done the explanation of first term chapters, too big, too small. Explanation part we have done, question also, answer also you have written. Grandpa Farooq's garden also we have done. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Explanation I have done. Question answer I have not given yet. So we will do the question answer of have you seen the cuckoo bird today? Okay. Then the lost laugh, explanation, book exercise as well as question answers we have done. Parko the park keeper, explanation we have done. Question answers I have not given. And also the poem The Sun, explanation I have done during the live classes. We have already done the explanation, but question answers I have not given. So question answers of one chapter and 2 poems is left. So I'm going to give you question answer of have you seen the cuckoo bird? So children, open page number 16. Page number 16. See, A part we will do in copy. Okay, we will not do the B part. Only A part we are going to do. Answer these questions in one sentence. See, this is page number 16 and A part. This part we are going to do. So you open your copy and write down question number 1. What color are the cuckoo's wings? I'm going to write here. What color are the cuckoo's wings? C-U-C-K-O-O-S. Cuckoo's wings. What color are the cuckoo's wings? Answer is the cuckoo's wings are black. So write the answer. The cuckoo's, C-U-C-K-O-O''S. The cuckoo's wings are black. Wings are black. Question number 2. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. Question number 2. Where is the cuckoo? C-U-C-K. Answer. The cuckoo is on the champak tree. The C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo is on the champak tree. Okay. Question number 3. Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? See the C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. Answer number 3. So the speaker can't see the cuckoo because it is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak tree. Hidden means छुपा हुआ, क्योंकि वो चंपक ट्री के बहुत सारे लीव्स में छुपा हुआ. That's why the speaker is not able to see the cuckoo bird. The speaker can't see the cuckoo the okay, leaves of the champak tree. CHAMPAK. Right, correct spelling, children. Okay. So these are the 3 question answers. 2 more. You can take the screenshot, children. Okay. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. I'm just reading out the question answers once again. What color are the cuckoo's wings? The cuckoo's wings are black. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? The speaker can't see the cuckoo because it is hidden, HIDDEN, hidden in the thick, THICK, thick leaves, LEAVES, leaves of the champak tree, CHAMPAK, champak tree. So children, please take the screenshot of this because I am going to rub question number 1 and 2 and I will write question number 4. Please take the screenshot. Okay children, so now I am going to rub question 1 first. So question number 4. When does the cuckoo sing? Question number 4. When does the cuckoo sing? Answer. When does the cuckoo sing? Answer is the cuckoo sings at night. The cuckoo, CUCKOO. The cuckoo sings at night. Question number, this is answer number 4. This is answer number 4. Now I'm going to write question number 5. Question number 5 is, what does the cuckoo say? What does the cuckoo say? CUCKOO. Cuckoo say. I'm going to rub this. Answer number 5. What does the cuckoo say? The cuckoo says that she is dark, but she sings better than all the birds. The cuckoo, CUCKOO, says that she is dark, that she is dark, 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 but she sings better than all the birds. Better than all the birds. Okay, children? So I am going to read it. Question 4. When does the cuckoo sing? Answer. The cuckoo night. Question 5. What does the cuckoo say? The cuckoo says that she is dark, but she sings better than all the birds. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. So children, again you can take the screenshot if you want, so that it is easy for you to write the answers. So children, we finish question answers of Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? And in the next class we will do question answers of chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Okay, exercise part we have already done. Okay, one more thing I want to do children today, enjoying the poem. It is given on page number 16. Enjoying the poem, same. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? This part here, enjoying the poem is given. Okay. Find the 3 pair of words that rhyme in the poem. So I am going to rub this. I will write it here. Enjoying the poem. First part. Find the 3 pair of words that rhyme in the poem. Rhyming means what? When the word sounds the same. Okay. Like here in this poem, if you see, wing, sing, sight, night, true, do. They are sounding same. They are the rhyming words. So write it here. Wing, W-I-N-G, wing. Then put a dash. Sing. Okay. Second is sight, night. S-I-G-H-T. Sight. Put a dash. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. And third one, true, do. T-R-U-E. True and do. So they are, the sound is same. Wing, sing, sight, night, true, do. Okay. Second part, add another word of your own that rhymes with these. Now you have to add your own word which is not given in the poem, which rhymes with the word bird. Okay. So what word you can add? You can write the words which sound same like bird. Like bird, third, curd. Okay. So these are same. So A part, you can write third, T-H-I-R-D, third, and C-U-R-D, curd. Curd means dahi. So third, curd rhymes with bird, right? Second, B part, which word is given? Close. Which words rhymes with close? Like toes, nose, right? So here you can write T-O-E-S, toes, and second word you can write nose, N-O-S-E. So toes, nose rhymes with close. So this is the exercise part which we have done. B part children we will not do. Okay. So please finish your, don't write this exercise part in the copy children. ये आपको कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. ये एक्सरसाइज पार्ट आपको सिर्फ बुक में लिखना है. कॉपी में आपको सिर्फ यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखना है. Okay. Only write the question answer part in the copy. And also you will learn children all the word meanings. आप लोग जो जितने भी word meanings दिए हैं चैप्टर के नीचे आप सारे word meanings learn करेंगे, because एग्जाम में word meanings भी आएंगे. Okay. So you learn all the word meanings from all the chapters which is given. In each chapter word meaning is given children. Too big, too small, Grandpa Farooq's garden, Have you seen the cuckoo bird, The lost love, Partho the park keeper, The sun. इन सब के वर्ड मीनिंग्स आपको लर्न करने हैं बुक से, कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. एंड ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रेन यू विल learn the poem Have you seen the cuckoo bird and the sun. First 8 lines you will learn the poem and also you will learn the name of the poet. Okay, poet का नाम भी आपको learn करना है with correct spelling children. So have you seen the cuckoo bird? Swapna Datta is the poet's name, so that you will learn. And the sun, Gareth Lancaster is the poet's name. पोएट के नेम के साथ आपको फर्स्ट 8 लाइन्स ऑफ द पोएम याद करनी है, बिकॉज यू विल गेट इट टू राइट इन द exam. Okay children, thank you.